Project on Automated Extraction-Based Text Summarizer and Mind Map Generator. To summarize is to reduce complexity, and hence the length, while retaining some of the essential qualities of the original text. Here, we are programmatically distilling the most important information from a source document to produce summarized version, and we call this automatic text summarization. A mind map is a diagram used to represent ideas, words, items linked and arranged around a central keyword or idea. Mind maps are used to generate, visualize, structure, and classify ideas. It has long been used in brainstorming and as an effective educational tool. Tony Buzan is inventor of the mind map. Manually constructing mind maps requires thorough reading and good understanding of the given text, but this takes much time and effort to draw elegant and expressive mind maps. The current project is an attempt to automatically summarize a given meaningful text document and generate mind map out of the summarized document. Input text document should be in standard format in English only with .text extension and should not contain any tables or pictures. Project takes only one text document as input and produces 1/3 of the original document as its summary. The summarization tool has 6 steps. Step 1, separation of phrases, where we search for characters and punctuations that signify the end of a phrase like dot or semicolon. Step 2, removal of stop words where all the unimportant words will be eliminated. Step 3, statistical analysis. Step 4, linguistic analysis, where we subject the input text document for part of speech I.EPOS tagging, and assign the weight to the term or word based on its part of speech. Step 5, summary display. Step 6, mind map display. The output mind map has a maximum of 8 main branches and 3 sub-branches each. Here are different metrics used for scoring. The proposed system generates summary based on both statistical and linguistic features of the document and thereafter generates the mind map of the summarized document. Different methods rely on different kinds of evidence, and combining them improves scores significantly. Scoring the sentences, which is actually a value of each sentence in the document, is computed using a combination of metrics. Here we assign the weight to the words from 0 to 1.0, based on the part of speech of every sentence. Frequency of each word in the sentence is added to compute the weight of the sentence. The sentence scores will then be used to decide which sentences to keep in the final extract summary. So this is our input text document. After sentence weight is calculated, depending on the percentage of summary requested by the user, those many sentences are highlighted in the document. We can see the highlighted sentences which are extracted as summary. Here we assign branch number and sub-branch number to each sentence, excluding stop words and punctuations. The most important part of this system will be the algorithms that decide the significant sentences in the input text document according to various metrics, viz. frequency of a word, multiplied by the weight assigned to it by the virtue of its part of speech. Once the summary is generated, the summarized sentences are given as an input to mind map generation module, which draws the mind map and thus represents the schematic summary. Here we have 2 main methods: generator module, which produce the extract summary of a text, and draw mind map module to draw the mind map from the extract summary. The project is implemented using Java. There is a lot of scope for improvement in this project. I thank all the contributors for their contribution. This project is developed as a part of M.Tech project. To conclude, The algorithm this system uses is a combination two metrics, statistical, term frequency, and linguistic, part of speech, analysis of text document. Extract summary generated is better than mere statistical summarizers that generate summary. Adding linguistic features to the algorithm fine-tunes the summary to higher level. Finally, the mind map generated is the schematic representation of the summary, which helps the user to grasp the information easily. Thank you.